Those mirrors come stock?
No, those are aftermarket.
Oh, aftermarket.
Yeah.
Where did you buy them?
They're called Rizoma stealth mirrors.
What?
Rizoma stealth mirrors. Hey, let's get some gas.
I need gas.
Gas. Hey, let me run you guys through Max's bike real quick. Like I said, he got the new CNC levers. I think these bar ends are new. Oh, hey, are these new?
Yeah.
And this piece too?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then, like I said, look, he's got the CNC Racing clear clutch cover there. He did the red with the red on his. Looks pretty sick.
Spinning. It's spinning.
And so Brandon's got the SC Project S1 exhaust, same pipe that I have on my bike. And Max has got the CRT.
I got it. Don't worry.
Anyways, we're about to go hit this car show over at the SMU campus. I think we went to one of these a couple weeks ago. It was pretty dope. Then we're gonna head over to the shop and watch the MotoGP race from this morning.
Hey, Brandon.
Yeah, gas.
Oh, you need gas. I'll follow you. I don't know where a gas station is.
Just stay on the frontage road. We'll hit one. All right, here we go. Damn, Brandon really took off. I guess we're just going there. All right, quickly. All right, ready to rock and roll. Oh shit.
I'm gonna get back to the barn before something bad happens.
Is that the same thing that happened at the shop that one time?
Yes. So I was getting gas, restarted it, it flashed everything DTC error again, and I was like, oh fuck, it's not even gonna start.
Yeah.
Turned it off, turned it back on, now it starts with a check engine light. But I'm gonna take it back to the barn. Honestly, if it runs, I'm gonna get it back to the barn.
Can we just ride there with you?
No, I think I'll be good. Worst case scenario, neutral, and get it somewhere on the side of a road somewhere. I'm riding with it.
Yeah, let's just fucking ride with you.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll just ride there with you, make sure you make it there.
Okay.
And then we can...
The shop's right around the corner.
Yeah, then you can just hop in your truck or whatever and we can go to the shop. Yeah. If that's what you want to do or whatever.
Alright, cool. Let's see if we get there.
All right. Ah, shit. Damn it. As you guys saw there, Brandon's bike is throwing some codes. So we're going to get it back to the shop that he keeps it at. Man, it always sucks when something happens to somebody's bike. Especially when you're out like this, having a good time riding. If you guys have seen some of my older videos, you know my bike was plagued by a starter clutch issue and some other things. I had some overheating issues and stuff early on with the bike. I've gotten most of my issues resolved. You know, keep the fingers crossed. Well, can't even cross them with the gloves on, but always takes the fun out of it though. when shit like this happens. But luckily for us, this is our main source of transportation. These are toys. Things happen to them. We get the issues resolved and then we move on. Well, either way, we're going to escort him over to, like I said, the barn or whatever that he keeps his bike at. Make sure he makes it there good, and then we'll see what we do from there. Man, for somebody with a check engine light, he's still riding that thing. Still riding it pretty hard. There he is. Man, the sun's coming out, feels good. Back into the tunnels we go. Nice pull. What a fun, smooth piece of road to rip around on. Oh, big ass bug just smacked my visor. Damn it. Hey, either way, still a nice ride. Damn, Brandon. We don't all know these roads, homie. It's funny. Oh, shit. Damn, this road is bumpy as hell.
That road is ass.
Right here? Yeah, it is. What the hell?
That road is so bad right there. Oh, yeah.
What were you saying? What were you saying? Did you hit something?
Oh, dude, I hit a nasty bump. As soon as we got off, I cut over and dude, oh, it hurt. Like it hurt my hands. I'm gonna see if I give it like 60 seconds. If like, so when I turned it on at that gas station, it flashed that DTC error.
Yeah.
That one that like made it go into live mode and like the bike basically became a paperweight.
Well, yeah, you were riding, and I was like, damn, he's fucking riding pretty hard. If there's something wrong with it.
I actually kept it low RPM.
Oh, you did?
Like I was intended
He's doing wheelies and shit.
I was intended to, but also I wanted to see if I give it some gas.
Yeah.
I'm curious if like the error code goes away.
Yeah.
You know? Sometimes they do say give it that in.
Is that what they call it?
Yeah. Still sure.